today's video is going to be all about how to use ChatGPT to grow your Pinterest account. We're going to be covering the 3 new ways that you can use ChatGPT to grow your reach, engagement, and followers on Pinterest in 2023. We've been using Pinterest within our small business since 2019, and it has been phenomenal at growing our small business. Currently, we have 2.5 million monthly views on Pinterest. We have 7,500 followers, and we've got thousands of outbound clicks every single month. So it's safe to say Pinterest is our #1 traffic driver for our small business. It allows us to get hundreds of leads coming through to our website from Pinterest every single month. Then what we can do is when they're on our website, we can offer that free lead magnet to them, get them into our email, and then email market to them in future. And to show you a quick example of this is our website traffic where we get this from Pinterest, Instagram, people coming through to our website. And as you can see here, Pinterest is by far the #1. So if we hadn't done Pinterest within our small business, that is the traffic we would not be getting. The way that it works is you create content based on other trending content and also what your dream customer is actively searching for. That's the key here. What is your dream customer going into Pinterest and actively searching for? And by creating content that your dream customer is actively searching for, this is the way you're going to appear in the search results and then how you're going to get your business in front of your dream customer. So let's take an example of a brand designer. Their dream customer would be on Pinterest searching for what is a brand, how to create an amazing brand, how to do logo design, color palettes, design inspiration. So if that brand designer was to take all those into consideration and create pins based off all of that, that's how they can then get their business in front of their dream customer who's already on Pinterest searching for the answer. So by being on Pinterest and providing the content, the pins, and the answer for your dream customer, that's how you're going to be able to get your business in front of your dream customer. Hi guys, I am James. I'm a marketing and mindset coach. I run Betsy and Francis with my partner Nicole. We've got a conscious marketing studio, and what we do is we work with purpose-led small business owners just like you to grow a profitable small business. We're using this YouTube channel to educate and teach and help you grow your small business, and we would absolutely love it if you went through, like this video, and subscribe to our channel, because what we're going to be doing is creating more content just like this. We want to make sure you always get it come through once we post to YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And to start us off in step 1 and using ChatGPT to grow your Pinterest is creating content that's already trending. Now this is the juiciest. I was going to leave this to the last, but it's so good that I want you to get this into your small business as quickly as possible, because you're going to get the best results by doing this particular step. So we're inside Pinterest now. What I'm going to do is go up to the search bar. I'm going to type in branding. These are the highest performing pins on Pinterest for the term branding. What I'm going to do is go through and select the very first one here, how to build a personal brand when you're an introvert. I'm going to right click it. I'm going to select copy, hop over to ChatGPT, and then paste this in. And then these are the amazing results that you get back from ChatGPT. It's able to turn it into an actionable piece of content. But what I want to do is I want to make it more intriguing for our dream customers to read. So it does a phenomenal job at turning this to an intriguing piece of content. So now that I've done this, I'm going to go through and select the content title. I'm going to paste it in here, as you can see. I'm going to go through to introduction. I'm going to go through to each bullet point as well. I'm going to paste that in. Once I've done this 4 times, I now have my educational piece of content. And this is what I can use to create pins now on Pinterest that's unique for my small business. So I'm going to hop over to Canva here. I'm going to use the Google Doc. I'm going to copy and paste the information from the Google Doc into these Canva designs. I'm going to update the header. I'm going to shorten it, as you can see. I'm going to go through here and select and paste the remaining text in. What I've got for this next one here is the introvert do's and don'ts. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a list of do's and don'ts for introvert and small business. These are the do's and don'ts. I'm saying, can you make them shorter? And then I can use this, copy and paste these in to fill up this document here. So as you can see, this is how flexible ChatGPT is. Now that I've got them created, I'll save them out to my computer, hop over to Pinterest and start uploading them onto Pinterest one by one, as you can see. The titles, the descriptions, sit into a board, and then I can post them. And this is our very first pin using the updated ChatGPT content. Okay, that was a lot to take in for anybody. So what we're going to do now in step 2 is we're going to slow things down just a little. That last step that you saw me create the titles and the descriptions for the pins, this is what step 2 is going to be all about. We're going to use ChatGPT to create the titles and the descriptions and vary them for each of the pins, and then we're going to link it to our website. So if you're looking to speed up your workflow, this is where ChatGPT is going to come in and help you create these titles and descriptions. So in ChatGPT, I'm going to ask it to create 10 SEO optimized titles for our piece of content. It gives us 10 incredible titles that we can use. You can see how fast this is. Next, I'm going to ask it to create the descriptions for these now as well. So it's going to give me 3 descriptions that I can use. what I'm going to do is vary them up nicely. So I'm going to ask it, can you create 3 more? So that's now a total of 6 that I have. After that, I'm going to take this top one. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a variation of the description below. So in brackets, I'm going to paste what I wanted to create a variation of. Now that I've got everything in, what I'm going to do is go through to our Google Doc, copy and paste everything in. And whenever I've got my Google Doc full, I'm going to hop back into Pinterest. I'm going to start copy and pasting the titles and the descriptions in. For the alt text, I'm going to use the description. And for the destination link, I'm going to use our website. So whenever we send all the traffic from Pinterest to our website, they get our lead magnet. So our free download pops up. Once we do this, then we get them into our email marketing that we can email market to in the future. So that's everything. So we've got our titles, our descriptions, alt text and links all done for the 10 pins. And that's everything. I'm on to the third and final step. This is how you're going to get more views on your Pinterest. What I'm going to do is go into our analytics, choose the best performing pin, and I'm going to show you how you can recreate it for your small business. This is the highest performing pins by impressions, but what we want to do is look for the outbound clicks, because these are going to send people to our website. This is our highest performing outbound click pin. As you can see, it's got 957 outbound clicks. So let's go ahead and use this one. So in ChatGPT, I'm going to try and recreate this. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a 20 bullet point list for this content title. So it does a fantastic job, but what I can see, they're a little bit long for the purpose that I need. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do it, but only use 2 to 3 words per bullet point. Fantastic, this looks amazing. So now that it's done this, I'm going to use it for the content pieces that we want to use. And this is it. So we've got the 20 bullet point list. It's 2 to 3 words per bullet point. We're using the Canva templates that we've created. We can go through, update the titles, update the bullet points, but then once we've done that, I'm going to go through and create 3 other pins as well for this. So I'm going to go through, change the design slightly, change the title slightly as well. So it gives us more pins that we can upload to do with the same content piece. And these are the pins that we can use within Pinterest. How incredible is that? This is the power of ChatGPT. So don't be afraid of ChatGPT. Use it within your small business to create better content for your dream customers. Use this speeding up your workflow on Pinterest, and most importantly, getting more leads and sales coming through to your small business. And everything you saw here today is just a teeny tiny bit of our week 7 from our 8 weeks growth marketing program for our conscious small businesses. What we do is we teach you how to grow a profitable small business, how to find your dream customer, how to get the right mindset for your small business. Everything is in the link below if you want more information. But in the meantime, go through this video, implement it into your small business to get amazing results within Pinterest and your small business in 2023.